Hello, my name is Peggy Heinrich, and I'm the president of Elgin Community College. Now, if you have missed it, we are in the middle of building a massive 150,000 square foot manufacturing and technology center right on the corner of Spartan and McLean on our main campus in Elgin, Illinois. We wanted to share with you an update on our progress so far with the build, so let's take a look. The first question that we receive is, are we on schedule to open on time? And the good news is we are. We are on schedule to open our doors for fall classes in August of 2026. That's less than 1 year from now. The progress on the outside of the building is easy to see. So the exterior enclosure system is underway. This includes things like the roof, the beautiful skylights, the brick face, the glass curtain wall. All of these things are underway and should be completed in November. But other elements of the project might be harder to see with the naked eye. So the project is going to include a number of renewable energy features, such as a geothermal test well for heat pumps, electrical vehicle charging, and a solar demonstration project plaza funded by the Illinois Green Economy Network, IGEN. So what is all of this going to do for students? The state-of-the-art facility and modern labs are going to be sure that students are equipped and workforce ready. And the provision of additional classroom space and lab space will allow us to serve not only more students, but to prepare them for the jobs of today and the jobs of tomorrow. And the timing couldn't be better because jobs in manufacturing are on the rise in the United States, and they're on the rise in our district. According to the Elgin Development Group, 1 in every 6 Elginites is already employed in manufacturing. And the average wage in manufacturing in our district is $77,000 a year, which is 20% higher than all other industries in our region. And we're preparing students at ECC at every level of manufacturing, from traditional manufacturing through advanced manufacturing, to be sure that we're meeting the needs of all of our industry's employers. And we lean into those employers to tell us what technical and soft skills students are needing in the workforce today. But those partnerships don't stop in the classroom. In our Workforce Development Division, we're partnering with businesses all across the area to expand internship and apprenticeship opportunities, which give our students real-world experience while they're in school, but it also gives our employers a trained and skilled workforce pipeline. So in the end, this isn't just ECC's project, this is the community's project. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at the grand opening in the fall of 2026. Thank you.